Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to make my account private on X. So let's open X application on my device, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down to settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to go to section that's called privacy and safety. Now from here, go to audience and tagging section, and at the very top of your page you should see this option that says protect your posts. Please enable it. This function, protect your posts, basically means to make your account private. As you can see, I have already done that. When enabled, when you made your account private, your current followers will be still able to see your posts, and any new people on X who want to follow you, they will have to send you follower requests that you must manually approve or decline. So let me show you how to do that. You have to tap your profile picture to again enter this menu, and as you can see here you have this dedicated page, follower requests. Open it, and here you will see all of your follower requests. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.